Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a chicken apple sausage in toaster oven. I bought some of these Adel's chicken apple sausages at the grocery outlet. I think these are about $6 there. If you get them at the regular grocery store, they're probably more around 10, I think. So you get 4 of them in a package. The nice thing is they're individually wrapped, so you know, and the expiration date is I think January on these. So you know, if you just want to eat one at a time, you don't have to worry about eating them all up, you know, and then opening up the whole package. If you're just one person like me, that's kind of nice. You can keep them in the fridge for a while. So what I'm going to do is make kind of a sandwich with this and just use it on bread. So I'm going to cut it like that and open it up. And I'm also going to put some cuts crossways on here. Now I cooked one of these in my air fryer, and I thought the casing was a little bit chewy. I think that it maybe comes out a little bit better in my toaster oven, so I'm going to do this one in my toaster oven for that reason. But you can do it either way. You can do them in the air fryer if you like. So I think I'll cut this way as well. If you cut the casing like this, what happens is when they start to cook, that casing tightens up and then they curl up. So if you cut them like this, keeps them from curling up like that. Also, it makes it easier to eat because sometimes that casing gets a little bit tough and it's hard to bite through. So if you cut it into little pieces like that, it makes it a little bit easier. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my cast iron pan. This 10-inch cast iron skillet fits perfectly in my toaster oven. So I'm just going to use this. So I'll put some avocado oil down in the bottom of the pan. That'll kind of help it brown up. I'm going to start it out cooking that side down, and then I may flip it over after it's cooked a little bit. I have the oven rack in the middle. This 10-inch cast iron skillet fits perfectly in there. But you can use your baking tray if you don't have, you know, cast iron pan. Now this oven has an air fry setting, which is 425 degrees Fahrenheit. If your oven doesn't have that, I would just set it to bake at 450, and that should work fine. So I'll just get that going, and I'll keep an eye on it. And then like I said, I may flip it over like after it's cooked for a few minutes. It's been about 8 minutes, so I'm going to pull this out and see how it looks. I don't know how much this is browned up on the other side. You can't really see it, so, oh, you know, all right, maybe I'll put it in that side up just for another minute or two. These sausages aren't very salty, so before I put it back, I'm going to sprinkle on just a little bit of kosher salt. And you know me, might as well add a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper as well. I use this on everything, so that'll just spice it up a little bit more. There we go. It's been about 2 minutes. Let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, it looks good. I've got a slice of buttermilk bread here that I put some mayonnaise on. These are pretty good sized pieces, good sized slices, so I think one slice should be fine, and I can just fold it over. That sausage got nice color on it. Alright, let's try this out. Fold this over. That fits just about right on there. It's kind of a sweet sausage with the apples in it. Although the salt and the Johnny's seasoned pepper kind of pep it up just a little bit. I like it that way. And it's good on that soft bread. It's easy to eat. Let's see what Annie thinks. I wiped the pepper off of hers. Here you go, Annie. I guess she liked it. Well, that worked out good, and like I said, you could do the same thing in the air fryer. These sausages are pre-cooked anyway, so you're really just warming them up, browning them up. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.